My name is Nicolas and I forgot something. I forgot to talk about the World Air Day. Yes, so here we have a start. I try to draw a star. Um, Here we have the sun. This is the sun. All right. And this is the Earth. Uh, and there are other planets. I don't know where they are, okay? But this is the solar system, and this is the Milky Way, the galaxy. But our closest neighbor is here, yeah? Um, this is called Andromeda. Andromeda, okay? Andromeda. And this is our closest neighbor. It is also called Messier 31. Someday we will have a collision, yeah, when two become one. So Andromeda will crush all the galaxy and the Earth will be destroyed. And everything gonna be destroyed. But not everything, because Andromeda will eat the Milky Way, so we gotta have other galaxy, maybe other galaxy with other planets, with monsters, with yes, with monsters, with I don't know. Well, whatever. See you later, guys.